Are you happy, excited, or are you tired? Let's learn how to express emotions naturally in Punjabi. I am happy. मैं खुश हाँ. मैं खुश हाँ. I am sad. मैं उदास हाँ. मैं उदास हाँ. I am angry. मैं गुस्से हाँ. मैं गुस्से हाँ. I am excited. मैं उत्साहित हाँ. मैं उत्साहित हाँ. I am surprised. मैं हैरान हाँ. मैं हैरान हाँ. I am worried. मैं फिक्रमंद हाँ. मैं फिक्रमंद हाँ. I am upset. मैं परेशान हाँ. मैं परेशान हाँ. I am miserable. मैं दुखी हाँ. मैं दुखी हाँ. I am restless. मैं बेचैन हाँ. मैं बेचैन हाँ. I am tired. मैं थक गया हाँ. मैं थक गया हाँ. Or मैं थक गई हाँ. मैं थक गई हाँ. I am nervous. मैं घबरा गया हाँ. मैं घबरा गया हाँ. Or मैं घबरा गई हाँ. मैं घबरा गई हाँ. Let's do a quick recap of all the expressions of emotions we just learned. But this time, I want to teach you a different way to say them. What we learned is called formal Punjabi. It's the way it's written. But this time, I want to do a recap in informal Punjabi. It's the casual way Punjabi is generally spoken. मैं खुश हाँ. Instead of using हाँ, just use हाँ. Ignore the H. मैं खुश हाँ. मैं उदास हाँ. मैं गुस्से हाँ. मैं उत्साहित हाँ. मैं हैरान हाँ. मैं फिक्रमंद हाँ. मैं परेशान हाँ. मैं दुखी हाँ. मैं बेचैन हाँ. मैं थक गया हाँ. मैं थक गई हाँ. मैं घबरा गया हाँ. मैं घबरा गई हाँ. So notice the subtle difference in the way these sentences end. When we initially learned these expressions of emotions, we ended all the sentences in ha. And this is really important when you're learning how to read and write Punjabi. But if you want to casually speak with someone, you can replace the ha with so it sounds a bit more natural. मैं खुश हाँ becomes मैं खुश हाँ. मैं गुस्से हाँ becomes मैं गुस्से हाँ. मैं उदास हाँ becomes मैं उदास हाँ. And so on for the rest of the sentences. Language is more than just words. Keep using these emotions to express yourself in Punjabi. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, Sat Sri Akal. Sat Sri Akal. If you want to start speaking Punjabi today, not someday, then this video is your cheat sheet. Let's rapid fire through 20 daily phrases in Punjabi that you can start using straight away. Say this when asking someone how they are doing. की हाल है? की हाल है? Use this when asking someone to come closer. इत्थे आओ. इत्थे आओ. Use this when asking someone to go somewhere. उत्थे जाओ. उत्थे जाओ. Use this when inviting someone to sit. बैठो. बैठो. Use this when suggesting leaving. चलो चलिए. चलो चलिए. Use these two phrases when asking someone to speed up. जल्दी करो or छेती करो. छेती करो. Do you want to encourage cleanliness? Then say हथ धोवो. हथ धोवो. Remind someone to stay hydrated. पानी पियो. पानी पियो. Say this to encourage someone to eat slowly. हौली खाओ. हौली खाओ. Want to alert someone to be cautious? Say ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ. ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ. Invite someone indoors using this phrase. अंदर आओ. अंदर आओ. Want to encourage someone to walk faster? Say छेती तुरो. छेती तुरो. Want to stop someone from doing something? Then say ए ना करो. ए ना करो. Want to instruct someone to do something? Then say ए करो. ए करो. Use this phrase when asking someone to hand you something. ए मैनू दे दो. ए मैनू दे दो. Want to tell someone to stop what they're doing? Then say बस करो. बस करो. Want to ask someone to pause briefly? Then say एक मिनट रुको. एक मिनट रुको. Use this phrase to politely ask someone to move aside. पासे हट जाओ. पासे हट जाओ. Do you want to ask someone to tidy up or clean something? Then say सफाई करो. सफाई करो. To tell someone to switch something off, say बंद करो. बंद करो. Want to ask someone to turn something on? Then say चालू करो. चालू करो. To ask someone to open the door, say दरवाजा खोलो. दरवाजा खोलो. Want to ask someone to shut the door? Then say दरवाजा बंद करो. दरवाजा बंद करो. Use this when calling someone to hurry up and come. जल्दी आओ. जल्दी आओ. Now pick 2 or 3 of these and use them today. Let's keep speaking and learning Punjabi together. I'll see you next time. Until then, Sat Sri Akal.